Welcome to this 13th video on shortcut keys of Microsoft Excel. If you are not watching our other 12 videos, I will share it on the description. This video we are going to see about the shortcut keys on auto filter. So we have a table available here. We have two sheets. I will share this file also on the description. You can download it for your practice. Okay. So let us go to this sheet number 1. We have the table sales ID, region, location, sales date, product, mode and amount. Now I want to apply the filter first. We have to apply the filter. The shortcut key for applying the filter is Control Shift L. Control Shift L is the shortcut key to apply the filter. Control Shift L. Now the filter is applied. Just to place the cursor on the table, that's fair enough. Just to place the cursor on the table and press Ctrl Shift L. To remove the filter also, you can press same Ctrl Shift L. Either place the cursor on the table or even you can select the entire table also. We have seen in the earlier videos, there is a shortcut key method available to select the entire table. Various methods, you can use Ctrl A, so many, or Ctrl Shift A, the asterisk, the so many methods are available, which you have seen in the earlier video also. Now press Ctrl Shift L. One is the placing the cursor on the table or select the entire table also. So I place the cursor on the table and press Ctrl Shift L and selected the entire table and press Ctrl Shift L. You can see the auto filter is applied on the top of your column headings. On the column headings, the filter is applied here. Now assume that I want to filter a particular one. For example, let me take this region. Under this region, I want to filter only a particular region, South region. So you can use the shortcut key Alt down arrow, or even you can use Alt up arrow also. Alt down arrow or Alt up arrow is the shortcut key for selecting this auto filter. Alt down arrow or even you can use Alt up arrow also. To skip this, as usual, you can press Escape to come out of this. To come out of this, you can press Escape, Alt down arrow. Now I want to select the East region or North region or South region. Let me take an example as South region. So you can use down arrow to go one by one option. You can use down arrow, or even you can use the tab key to go one by one also. Let me press down arrow or tab key. Now to uncheck the select all, I want to select some options. To uncheck it or check it, you can use the shortcut key space bar. Just press the space bar for unchecking it. To uncheck it, you can use the space bar. Suppose I want to select only this South region, I am using the space bar once again. To accept it, the space bar is the shortcut key for selecting a particular one. Whether checking or unchecking, you can use the space bar. And I press enter to accept it. Enter is for accepting it. Now we can see only the South region is filtered. Right? Now for example, let us go to the product name here. And I press the same Alt down arrow or up arrow. You can see the list of all the product name is available. There are so many product names available. I pressed down arrow and come to this option where a list of all the product names are displayed here. Suppose I want to put the very last product. I want to see the last product. Then you can use the shortcut key end. Just to press end, it goes to the last value. If you press home, it goes to the first one. Or I want to see one by one, page by page. Of course, you can use the key page down, page down, page down, next page, next page, next page. Page up, page up, page up, page up, previous page, previous page, previous page. Suppose I am selecting multiple options. I want to uncheck the select all. You can use the space bar. I want to select some option. Space bar, space bar, space bar, multiple option. To accept it, you can press enter. Now assume that the 2 or 3 columns has been filtered. Now the region is already filtered and the product is already filtered. And assume that in a mode, I am selecting this cash payment here. I am selecting the cash payment. Enter. The cash payment is filtered here. Now I want to get back my old data. I want to get back the old data. You cannot go to every field, every column and you cannot clear the filter. Clear filter, clear filter. And I have seen the people, they will press Ctrl Shift L one time and another Ctrl Shift L to another time to remove the filter, to apply the filter once again. Instead, we can use the shortcut key Alt AC. Alt AC is the shortcut key for clearing your filter. To clear, to bring back the entire data back, you can use the Alt AC as the shortcut key. And it's the last part of the shortcut keys on this auto filter. Let me go to the next sheet. Here I have the invoice number and I have the status. For example, let me apply the filter for it. Ctrl Shift L, I have applied the filter. And I go to the status column. I want to enter some values wherever the cells are empty. So I press Alt down arrow and I'll go downwards. Wherever the cells are blank, I will uncheck the select all and I'm selecting the blank. Enter. All the blank cells have been selected here. Now I want to enter some values here. For example, assume this invoice number 1006. I have received the payment already. So let me type a value called as receive. I have typed receive. Now this I don't want it as a part of my table because only the blank has been filtered, but I have entered some value, so it has to be removed from a filter, right? That is called as reapplying your filter. Reapplying. Once again, you should not go to the status column. Once again, don't select. Once again, you have to go to the status column and select the blank and check this. It's a difficult part. We can reapply the filter. The shortcut key is Control Alt L. Reapply. So Control Alt L. It has reapplied. You can see the received has been removed from a filter. It has been removed from a filter. Similarly, for example, this 1007 is my pending. So I have typed pending. So it should not be a part of my filter, right? It's a value entered, but I have filtered only the blank. I want to remove this. Control Alt L. You can see that has been removed from your filter. Reapply. This is called as reapply. That's it about the shortcut key of auto filter. See you in the next video.